that going to set off the rocket?
I'm hoping so. Go! The rockets are still not going.
Health and safety has gone wrong.
I called up Paul.
Did you forget to send them back, Paul?
Not my address.
Hey!
You like one?
Go on then now.
Yeah,
Wait a long way.